Sobi Hill is not special because it is an hill. It is special because of what it has done for the city here, which is Ilorin, and what it is still doing up to this moment. Wait, let me show you. Sobi Hill sits right inside Ilorin city, not far away in a remote village or deep forest. This hill stands as a natural tower here in Ilorin. From this hill, you can see an aesthetic look of the entire city. See how beautiful Ilorin is. There is no other kind of hill here in Ilorin. From many places in Ilorin, you can see this hill. And when you stand on top of this hill, you see a very large part of this city. In the past, that was very important. High ground meant safety. High ground meant you could see danger before it arrived. Before Ilorin became a city that we know today, people settled around places that could protect them. From here, early settlers could see the land around them. They could see movement, understand the terrain, and plan where their community grew. The city changed, the people changed. Why? This hill remained the same. Climbing Sobi Hill is simple, but it's not easy. You have to off your shoe while you are doing that. As you go up, the noise of the city becomes smaller. It becomes smaller. People come here for many reasons. Some come here to pray. Some come here to run. Some come here for adventures. And some come here to think. In one place, you see faith, you see fitness, and you also see the reflection of people living together. That is what makes this hill unique. Sobi Hill is not what people visit once. It's part of daily life here in Ilorin. Different people meet here. Friends talk here. Strangers greet each other here. Sobi Hill is special not because it is the biggest hill in Nigeria. It is special because it's watched Ilorin grow and still watches over the city up to this moment. It is a natural watchtower, a quiet teacher, and a reminder that sometimes if you want to understand your city, you have to rise above it. This is Sobi Hill, and one of the most important experiences you can't afford to miss. So next time you come to Ilorin, make sure you visit this hill. And if you are living here in Ilorin and you've not visited this hill to check the beautiful look of Ilorin, you are still missing. This is AfriSawt, where real Africa speaks. See you on the next one.